The Trusscore Cost and Materials Estimator helps you estimate the cost and materials for your Trusscore project. You can explore design options and get a detailed list of materials to place your order. In this video, we will show you how to use this helpful time-saving online tool. Go to trusscore.com/estimator to get started. Step 1. Walls. Firstly, you will see two options. Choose a standard design or create a custom design. Select a standard design to see pre-made design options. Or select Create a custom design to build your own. Choose your color and panel orientation and decide if you want to add SlatWall, including how much. Step 2. Ceiling. Choose if you want to include your ceiling in the estimate. If you select Yes, you can pick the color for the Trusscore wall and ceiling board panels on your ceiling. You can always go back to update your choices by clicking the Previous button or one of the tabs at the top. Step 3. Dimensions. Now, enter the dimensions of your space. This is key as it helps the estimator figure out the number of panels and trims you'll need. You can choose a preset room size or enter custom measurements. When inputting custom measurements, type in the length, width, and height. You can use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the measurements. If your dimension isn't a whole number, you can enter a decimal. If you include a ceiling, be sure to enter the length across the ceiling joists. Trusscore wall and ceiling board must be installed perpendicular to the ceiling joists. Use a stud finder if you are unsure where the joists are. Please note, the estimator assumes rooms have only one length, width, and height. For more complex spaces, visit our Where to Buy page to find your closest Trusscore retailer or contact us at hello@trusscore.com for assistance. Step 4. Garage door. Trusscore is a favorite in garage projects. Many garages have one or more doors that don't need Trusscore material, so we exclude them from the estimate. First, choose if your space has a garage door. If yes, select a standard size or enter custom measurements. Indicate how many garage doors there are. If your garage doors are different sizes, input the dimensions for the smallest size door. Finally, pick which wall the garage doors are on. You can choose the length wall or the width wall. Step 5. Summary. Now that you've entered everything, the Cost and Materials Estimator will instantly calculate an estimate of your project's cost. You can switch between US and Canadian dollar pricing. You will also see an image of your design and a short summary of your choices. For a full breakdown, click Get My Detailed Materials Breakdown. Enter your contact info, and you'll instantly see the materials breakdown. You'll also receive a link in your email to review it later. The materials breakdown lists the quantity of every product you need. It includes trims for the walls and ceiling, and even the number of screws. Your Trusscore retailer will need this breakdown to place your order and give you an exact price. There is also a product placement guide that's useful for installers. This shows the location of each product and how much to use. It's like a blueprint for your project. Finally, you can calculate the trim needed for any windows or doors in your project. At the end of the breakdown, you will find a guide with 3 easy steps to help you. And that's it. You've designed your space, estimated the materials you need, and received a ballpark price using the Trusscore Cost and Materials Estimator. Thanks for watching.